Hi everyone, my name is David Leonardo Sáenz Barrera. I am a student of the UNAT University. I have 26 years old and I study business administration program. And I will talk about my last vacation, so you enjoy. Thanks. I will share with you the list of my favorite activities to do in Cartagena. My first favorite activity to do in Cartagena is walking along the city, explore the culture, the museums, share with the people. It's many things to do, simply walking around. The second activity I like to do is the water sports. You can do jet ski or skydiving or snorkeling. Or it's very fun. You're gonna be a fun time. The next activity, I like in the night go to dancing, uh, listen music, share with people, meet people. You can listen tropical music. You can listen electronic music, rock, champeta, salsa, merengue, whatever you want, you can find here. My favorite for activity is eat seafood. You should eat seafood in the beach, in the elegant restaurants. There is a lot of options to choose in the city. I want to recommend many interesting places to visit in the city, like San Felipe Castle. So, rest in Baru Beach. You can find aquarium in the Islas de Rosario. You also go to shopping in the downtown of the city. Okay, and I finish show you here in the browser another activities and tips can can help you to have a nice trip in Cartagena. And that's it. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.